I'm from our college. With this, I joined this institute for CAE course for practical knowledge of accounting, certified accounting executive course, which provide accounting knowledge to us, practical accounting knowledge. It includes basic computer knowledge and stock management, tally, and so on. These practical knowledge provide us to do accountant in a practical form, tally, which we do. It also provides practical knowledge as well with the practical knowledge, so that ताकि हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम ना आए आगे जाके. Sir Deep sir also provides many seminars to get up to date with the latest information. So I am very thankful to this course. Staff is very cooperative. If we have any kind of problem, they will always guide us and suggest us. So I advise you to do CAE course, CPA course for practical knowledge from here. Thank you.